What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2008 Yamaha Royal Star. It is the Tour Deluxe, a 1300cc motor, 5-speed transmission, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing. Back here in the back on the tire, you can see that's got plenty of life left on it. Definitely got to pass inspection. Lots of life left on that. Here in the rear fender, you can see the exhaust tip sticking out. There is some scratches here right on the bottom of the rear fender, like almost like it got bumped into something, like when the guy parked it. Other than that, looks pretty good. So your turn signal is real light. This is your license plate mount. Obviously, that gets covered up with the license plate. Other than that, everything here in the back looks to be in pretty good shape. There's the back of the sissy bar. Here around the side of the bags. You see the exhaust there. Exhaust looks to be in good shape. No rust or anything like that. Here on the side of the bags, all that looks to be pretty good. There's looks like a light scratch there in the clear coat, and there too. And there's a little bit of some marking here on the side of the hinge for the bag. Open these up. You can see what's in them. Keep coming around. There is a mark, like a light mark there in the clear coat. Yeah. Here's the front. There's your passenger floorboard, side panel. That looks to be in pretty good shape. There's a small mark right there where my thumb is. On the side of the tank, that looks to be in good shape. I don't see any scratches or dents or things there. Nope, that was a mark, a piece of dirt. Motor bay, everything looks to be pretty good in there. Doesn't seem to be leaking or anything. You can see the chrome shined up pretty nicely. Actually, you get a little reflection in there. There's your rider floorboard, rear brake, and the front lower fairing. Also looking to be in pretty good shape. There's some marks here. It looks like just like bug juice. I think if you really scrub that, it would come off. This one does have the windshield, so there's that. There's your headlight and front turn signals. Does have this the lower, like the wind deflector there and there, which can be nice. Here on the fork tubes, they look to be in good shape. No rust or pitting or anything like that. There you can see it does have the dual disc up front, big front brakes. Here on the front fender looks good, but this is probably the biggest defect on the bike. Is this like dent right here. You can see it pretty good on the video. There's a little bit of cracking in the paint, and you can see the dent there. Other than that, this bike's in pretty good shape. There's the front tire. Front tire looks to be in pretty good shape. A lot of life left on that. Here you are on this side of the front wheel. See the front brakes there again. Here is the fork tubes. All looking to be in pretty good shape. Don't miss out on the test drive video that Sean does of this bike. Should be up on YouTube to see this thing out on the road. Here is the front lower fairing on this side. Kind of same as the other. There's some bug juice and stuff on that, but like nothing major. There is a chip right there. I want you to miss out on that. So there you go, there's that. So you got this side of the tank. It's looking pretty good. No dents or dings or chips up on the tank that I can see. Oh, let's take that back. I did find one right there. Just a little tiny one right underneath the badge. Here's the motor bay, again, looking good. There's your rider floorboard. Got the shifter, the heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter, that's me. There's your passenger floorboard. There's your side panel. Again, you can see the exhaust on this side. Runs back here into the bag. And we'll check out the bag back here. This is a light mark right there underneath the the hinge for the bag. I don't see anything else on there though, which is good. Nothing up here on the top. Open that up. See what that looks like. Over the top, there's the sissy bar, passenger seat, rider seat, and the top of the tank. There's the fuel, ignition, turn it on. You guys can see that it has 7,500 miles. And fire it up for you guys real quick. Just make sure the signals work. Got your rear signal there, and rear signal there. There's your front on that side, front on that side. Again, guys, this is the 2008 Yamaha Royal Star. Do not miss out on the test drive, and do not miss out on this bike. Thanks so much for watching.